For people providing ship services in the port, the main page in the app is Tasks. Here, you can see all your upcoming tasks for today. For example, you'll see ramp and unmooring for Finstar and Scalar. You'll also see tasks you've already completed and tasks currently assigned to you. At the bottom of the page is a fast navigation panel which always highlights the next upcoming task, making it easier to stay on track. Here, you can see a service scheduled in about 6 hours. Unmooring for Scalar at VD4 in Vuosaari. On this panel, you can accept new tasks, start assigned tasks, or decline if you're not available. When you decline, your manager will be notified. Now I'll start the task. The status changes to On Service. Once it's complete, press Complete, and your manager will be notified. Let's change the filter to see tasks for upcoming days. Now you can see tasks for tomorrow that are available for you. Your manager may assign tasks to you, but you can also assign tasks to yourself. Tasks you can take yourself have a yellow dashed side. For example, let's take this gangway task for FinMaid tomorrow. You can also take tasks by sliding on the task and clicking the button. From the app, you can also check port calls on the Port Calls page. Let's change back to today. These 5 ships have either arrived or are departing today. If any services are required for these ships during arrival or departure, you'll immediately see them listed on the Tasks page. Lastly, the application will notify you about new task assignments or any schedule deviations, whether a ship arrives late or earlier than planned. You'll find all these updates on the Notifications page.